Alright guys, we got Jess's ride all hooked up. She has the 2020 Acura, and we're gonna show you what we did. We put the black Hydra subwoofer in here. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to put a license plate protector on there.
Oh, I saw it, she hit me like that. Saw that thing so beautiful. She just hit my
Custom box and
heart.
everything. All the amps are tucked away under there real nice. A little baby rattle. We're gonna get that tightened up though. Let me go in here and get a demo of it.
Girl, you acting like
About it, babe.
It's amazing. I love it.
So awesome. Like with her car being so new, it just sounds like so solid and like clear. The factory door speakers and stuff are excellent anyway, so just adding the subwoofer has like made it like perfect. Like it's not super overpowering, but it got her some bump in the trunk.
Yes.
Or in the back though. Sounds
Just
really
what
cool.
I wanted.
Oh, hit the thing. Showing the roof. Pretty nifty. You can blow the whole roof off of this thing. Very cool. Look at that. Awesome. So let us know what you think about our little black Hydra setup. And if you need anything, hit us up. downforsoundshop.com. Also, don't forget to hit up cbdfuelrecovery.com. Use my code D4S. Save you 10% on that as well. See you in the next video. Later. Alright, so we're gonna apply the license plate protector to hers. So we have the silver. It's gonna match up really nice here. So let me throw that on there and get her those rattles away. All right. Much better. So no more license plate rattle, and the screws are tight too, so all good there. Let me know what you think about our little sub setup. I think it's awesome. Got babe bumping.